In the fast-paced world of smartphones, Google's latest offerings, the Pixel 8a and Pixel 8, stand out as formidable contenders. Both devices promise a blend of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly features, but discerning between the two requires a closer examination. Let's embark on a detailed exploration to uncover the nuances that distinguish these smartphones and determine which one emerges as the superior choice. The design ethos of the Pixel 8a and Pixel 8 reflects Google's commitment to sleek aesthetics and ergonomic functionality. While both devices share the characteristic rounded corners and distinctive camera bar reminiscent of previous Pixel models, subtle differences set them apart. The Pixel 8a boasts dimensions marginally larger than the Pixel 8, with a hair taller and slightly wider profile. However, the Pixel 8 takes the lead in durability with its IP68 waterproof rating, offering enhanced protection against water and dust ingress compared to the Pixel 8a's IP67 rating. Additionally, the Pixel 8 offers a diverse range of color options, including hazel, mint, obsidian, and rose, catering to varied style preferences. In contrast, the Pixel 8a presents a refined selection of colors, including obsidian, porcelain, bay, and aloe, exuding understated elegance. A vibrant and immersive display is a cornerstone of the smartphone experience, and both the Pixel 8a and Pixel 8 deliver on this front. Equipped with OLED screens boasting a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR support, these devices offer stunning visuals and fluid motion for an unparalleled viewing experience. However, the Pixel 8 edges ahead with its Corning Gorilla Glass Victus panel, providing superior scratch and drop resistance compared to the Pixel 8a's Corning Gorilla Glass 3 display. Despite the Pixel 8a's commendable display quality, the Pixel 8's enhanced durability ensures long-term resilience against everyday wear and tear. Under the hood, the Pixel 8a and Pixel 8 are powered by the formidable Google Tensor G3 chip paired with 8 GB of RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and responsive performance. Whether you're navigating through demanding apps or indulging in graphics-intensive gaming, both devices deliver a smooth and lag-free experience. With identical internal configurations, the Pixel 8a and Pixel 8 offer comparable performance levels, making them reliable companions for productivity and entertainment alike. When it comes to capturing life's memorable moments, the Pixel 8a and Pixel 8 excel with their advanced camera systems. While the Pixel 8a boasts higher megapixel counts across its wide, ultra-wide, and selfie cameras, the Pixel 8's larger sensor size and wider aperture elevate its low-light performance and dynamic range. Additionally, the Pixel 8 introduces innovative features like macro focus, allowing users to capture intricate details with precision and offering absent in the Pixel 8a. Beyond photography prowess, the Pixel 8a stands out for its Dolby Atmos support, delivering immersive audio that elevates the multimedia experience. However, the Pixel 8 compensates with its waterproof body, compatibility with Wi-Fi 7 networks, thinner bezels, and reverse charging feature, catering to diverse user preferences and requirements. While both the Pixel 8a and Pixel 8 offer compelling features, several key differences distinguish them from each other. The Pixel 8a shines with its Dolby Atmos support, enhancing audio quality for an immersive listening experience. In contrast, the Pixel 8 boasts a waterproof body with an IP68 rating, providing superior protection against water and dust infiltration. Additionally, the Pixel 8's compatibility with Wi-Fi 7 networks ensures blazing fast connectivity, while its reverse charging feature adds versatility to its utility. Furthermore, the Pixel 8's thinner bezels offer a more immersive viewing experience, maximizing screen real estate without compromising on ergonomics. Choosing between the Pixel 8a and Pixel 8 necessitates careful consideration of individual preferences and priorities. If you prioritize camera performance and durability, the Pixel 8 emerges as the clear winner, offering superior imaging capabilities and enhanced resilience against environmental factors. Conversely, if immersive audio quality and affordability are paramount, the Pixel 8a presents an enticing option, providing the sound technology, Dolby Atmos support, and flagship caliber features at a more accessible price point. Ultimately, the ideal smartphone for you depends on your unique needs and preferences, and both the Pixel 8a and Pixel 8 stand ready to exceed your expectations with their impressive capabilities and user-friendly designs.